Lord, every nation on earth will adore you. Lord, every nation on earth will adore you. Give the King your justice, O God, and your righteousness to a king's son. He will judge your people with righteousness and your poor with justice. Lord, every nation on earth will adore you. May the kings of Tarshish and the isles render him tribute. May the kings of Sheba and Seba bring gifts. May all kings fall down before him. All nations give him service. Lord, every nation on earth will adore you. For he delivers the needy, one who calls, the poor and the one who has no helper. He has pity on the weak and the needy, and saves the lives of the needy. Lord, every nation on earth will adore